Hey, this is an important step to verify you are a human, not a robot. So you must download the app for free below to verify to unlock to get free resources. And after you download is completed, please open or sign up and run this app around 30 seconds. Yes, now you start sign up with this app. Yes. Click skip. Yes. Then click install one more app. After download done, please open and play this app around 30 seconds also. Just waiting a moment. Yes, and click open and run it around 30 seconds. Yes, I do this tip to make sure that my human verification bypass are successfully done for these steps. And after you done all these steps, you could delete these apps. It's up to you.